Hi everyone, welcome to Boss Wellness channel. In this video, we are going to see about how to increase the brain power naturally. Everyone is aware that to be successful in our professional or personal life, we need to have a very good brain power, especially the memory power, the retention level, the concentrating and focusing ability for quite a long time will make a huge difference. This is not only applicable for the students or those who are preparing for the competitive exams and all, but for everyone. So let us see how to increase the ability of your brain to function very efficiently, to concentrate more and also retain more in a lesser time, which are very easy one to be followed and everyone can follow. Whether it is children or elderly persons, everyone can follow this. Out of these 5 points, let's go with the first one, which is giving proper rest to your brain through proper sleep at night, especially 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Make it a point that you go to bed by around 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and from 10 p.m. to morning 5 or 6 a.m. you ensure that you are in deep sleep. This will enable the brain to function properly and the sharpness will drastically go if you give proper rest. Second point is that the brain consumes majority of your oxygen and energy in the body. So we have to ensure that we supply adequate supply of oxygen by way of doing simple pranayama, by which you will inhale more of air, retain there for some time and exhale. Sukha Kriya kind of pranayama will be very, very good. If you don't know, just follow that. You inhale for 4 seconds, retain it for 8 seconds and slowly breathe out, exhale for 16 seconds. And you repeat this cycle for at least 3 to 5 times. And when the duration is increased, then the level of oxygen getting absorbed in your blood will go up. Third one is Sirasasana. Sirasasana will help the blood to flow more to your head and brain. If you are unable to do Sirasasana by standing upside down for a few minutes, better you can lie on the bed also up to hip level. Afterwards, let the body, upper portion of the body hang down for a few minutes so that you will enable the blood flow to your brain for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Fourth point is to take at least 5 to 6 walnut kernels. The walnut kernel is having the properties to enhance the brain functioning, especially if you are taking in the empty stomach. That will be good for easy assimilation. So either in the morning or in the evening, you ensure to take at least 5 kernels. And fifth point is, there are certain points in the head as well as in the hand, fingers, where we will apply pressure to stimulate these points. One is there on the side of your head. Say here the points are located. You will not bother about exactly where it is located. You just keep your palm like this, close to your chin, and then when you hold fingers and touch your head, it automatically reaches the point where the pressure is to be applied and the point is to be stimulated. So the stimulation can be either by way of applying pressure and releasing, or you can just make forms on forward and backward movements in this area, which will enhance the flow of blood to your brain properly. Second point is located at the forehead, just above the center of your eyebrows. Just one thumb finger above your center of the eyebrows. So you just keep your fingers like this and apply pressure and rotate. So this can also be done like 21 times clockwise, afterwards 21 times anti-clockwise. And another point is that at the center of between the eyebrows. So here also you can apply pressure and rotate it 21 times clockwise and 21 times anti-clockwise. Another pressure point is located at your thumb, tip of the thumb especially. So how you can do the stimulation is just apply pressure and release, apply pressure and release, apply pressure and release at the tip as well as at the side. If you practice these 5 points regularly, definitely you will see there will be increase in the brain's concentration power, retention level, and also the focusing duration. I hope this will be definitely helpful for you to increase your brain power naturally, and definitely you will see that there will be increase, substantial increase in the brain power for sure. Hope this video is highly helpful to you. I request you to kindly forward this to all your contacts, especially to the youngsters who are students and also preparing for some competitive examinations, because this will be highly helpful for them to do well in their exams. Thank you.